Empire Life presents the World University Cross Country Championships in Kingston, April 11th at Fort Henry. Come cheer on Team Canada as they take on some of the best runners from around the world. Tickets available now for only $5. Kids can sign up now online for their chance to run on the championship course in the Running Room Kids Race. To learn about the races or the other championship weekend events, log on to XC2010.com. The World University Cross Country Championships, April 11th, presented by Empire Life. See you at the start line.